Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the number system. We all know that numbers are nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. We all know that. And since we are studying 8th standard, 9th standard, we have to take the numbers into account from 0 and even before 0 also. That is minus infinity to plus infinity, negative to positive. Okay, infinity is nothing but it will not have any end, or you cannot find any end for that. That is what called infinity. Now what is the need for having number system? Why do we need a system to handle with the numbers? There is a necessity that a system is needed for handling with the numbers. Why? Because in every day, every minute we are dealing with different kinds of numbers. For counting, for measuring objects, for performing calculations, and still more are there. I have given you only 3 points. So for these kinds of things we need numbers. So we cannot just directly deal with the numbers. There is a system, and now that is what we are going to see that. And before that, I just want to rush it up. We have so many kind of numbers, like natural numbers, whole numbers. These are all kinds of numbers, not only 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has so many kinds, like natural numbers, whole numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and so on. Okay, we have studied these things and just given you a very quick glance here. Okay, now directly we can go into the number systems. When we talk about number systems, two values are very important. They are base value and place value. We know what is base value, nothing but a number, and place value is nothing but which is being written on the top of the base value, on the right side top of the base value. Okay, like 2 to the power of 4, 10 to the power of 4, like that. So when we talk about number system, these two values, base value and place value, are very important because based on that only the number system has been classified. Okay, there are many kinds of classifications, but mainly in this standard we are going to see only 4 types. Okay, there are decimal number system. For that, base value is 10, only 10, no other numbers. That is why it is called decimal number system, only base value 10. Next, binary number system. For that, base value will be 2. Say for example, for here 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3, like that. And for the binary number system, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 0, like that. Okay. The other two are octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Okay, octal number system, here base value will be 8, and for the hexadecimal number system base value will be 16. One by one we can go to it. As I told you before, decimal system is nothing but 10 to the power of 0, 10 to the power of 1, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3, and so on. And it will be totally having 10 digits. Digits here I am mentioning about the place value. Okay, we have to take into account from 0 to 9. So if we count from 0 to 9, it will come up to 10. Okay, only up to 9 only you can write, not more than that. You cannot write 10 to the power of 10 or 10 to the power of 11, like that. So totally 10 digits. Digits, again I am telling you, digits I am here mentioning, I am representing here only the place value, no other things. Okay, and here comes the binary. Binary we have come across in computer subjects and all. Usually in computer we will be dealing with only 2 numbers, 0 and 1. We used to say it as bits because computer can read only 2 numbers, that is 0 and 1. Based on that only 2 numbers we are making so much codes, everything and all. So like that, here also binary system takes only 0 and 1, only, no other things. You cannot ask ma'am how about minus things or plus things, nothing, only 0 and only 1. 2 to the power of 0 and 2 to the power of 1. Okay, so this is the binary number system. And I have told 4 number of systems, no? In that also we can convert systems like from binary to decimal, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, like that we can change. I have given you an example here. See the number 19, okay? And you have to write it in the binary number system. Binary number system in the sense only you have to use 2, okay? Binary system in the sense 2, you have to use 2. See 19. How I have been written? 2 9s are 18, remaining 1. 2 4s are 8, remaining 1. 2 2s are 4, 0. 2 1s are 1. 2 1s are 2, 0. So when you write, you have to write from here. Not up to down, but down to up. So you have to write it as 1 0 0 1 1. So the number 19 in the binary system we can write like this. Okay, this I have been converted. This 19 I have been converted in the binary number system. Okay, and then comes the octal number system. Nothing but 8 to the power of 1, 8 to the power of 2, 8 to the power of 3, like that, and it will be having totally 8 digits. 0 to 7. You should not write 8 to the power of 9 or 8 to the power of 10 like that. Okay. The same way I have calculated 135. I have written this 135. It is in 10, base by 10. So what is this? This is decimal number system. I have been changed into octal number system in form of 2078. Okay. And then hexadecimal base value 16. Here also the place value, I can say it as digits also. So 0 to 15 we can write, but 0 to 9 you can write normally. And then for 10 it will be represented as A, for 11 B, for 12 it is C, for 13 D, 14 E, 15 F. Thank you.